Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming the hardware and enabling the feature. First, make sure your laptop actually includes a capacitive touch display and that drivers are current. That prevents many issues. Next, open Settings or Device Manager, locate the touchscreen entry, and enable it if disabled. Once done, run the calibration tool and adjust sensitivity and palm rejection so the system recognizes intentional touches versus resting hands. This saves time and frustration as you start using gestures and taps immediately. Now you'll practice the essential gestures and refine precision. Begin with single and double taps for selection, dragging to move items, pinch to zoom for scaling, and two-finger drag for scrolling. These are the bread and butter interactions. Make sure you tune pointer speed and palm rejection in settings to balance responsiveness with accidental touches. If you use a stylus, enable pressure sensitivity and set tip behavior so drawing and handwriting feel natural. Doing this helps you switch seamlessly between touch, stylus, and keyboard input as tasks demand. To finish, optimize and know how to troubleshoot quickly. Save custom touch profiles and app-specific gesture shortcuts so your workflow is consistent. You'll thank yourself later. If the screen becomes unresponsive, restart the machine, reinstall or roll back touch drivers, and run the built-in hardware diagnostic. These steps resolve most software issues. If problems persist, remove any screen protector and clean the display. Dirt or thick films often block capacitive sensing. And test again before pursuing repair or warranty service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.